What's up, gangsters? Happy Thursday. Welcome to our CPI data report trading session, live gambling session. We'll see. I don't generally speaking trade news, in fact. Today is going to be, not to say a first, but I don't usually trade news. And sorry, there's just a lot of chaos because it's the morning time. We homeschool our kiddos, so there's going to be a little bit of excitement in the background here as well. I'm trying to get my screen fixed. Hey, babe, the other thing that stings too is we got to take the garbage out like right now so we don't miss it. The news is releasing in 8 minutes. I unfortunately can't. Just make sure it's the garbage. Don't worry about the recycling, but if you could at least take the garbage can out, why that would be great. And there's the reason to have kids, right? Oh, you know what? Come on, guys. Let's get that camera activated. That usually helps. Yay! We did it. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes, gang. All right. So just really quick, this is our 5 minute chart right here. So of course yesterday, massive sell-off. Here was our market open and we just sledged off the entire day. Boom. Consolidated, boom. Consolidated, boom. So we're slowly starting to curl up, forming this gorgeously massive bear flag. That being said, though, I don't know why, but I'm very bullish on the day. Or I'm very bullish for this report. Not even saying I know, is inflation going to come in high? Is it going to come in low? Is it going to come in expected? Who the hell knows? The frustrating thing with that is it doesn't seem to matter half the time anyways. It could come in low and we can go up. And then the very next report, we could come in high and it could go up. And people always choose like the exact opposite reasons of, oh, okay, well, it went up this time because of this reason. Wait, what? But it went, but last time you said it went down because of that same exact reason. So it's just one of those fun little things. So again, bullish on the day, bullish for this report. Not sure how I'm going to play this report yet. It's 8:24. We already had this phenomenal dip. That's the dip I would have loved to have got in on. I just wasn't sitting down yet. Otherwise, I would have longed her right there. My guess is I wouldn't be surprised if report comes out, we have a crazy wick down to this low point, 25,064, and then rocket ship right back up afterwards. So I don't know if I want to punch in. Now, of course, again, this is just for entertainment purposes, and we're just messing around a little bit. So we're not doing huge sizes. We're going to do 1 micro, basically. Maybe 2, maybe 3. We'll see how it goes. Right now, this is forming a really nice little bull flag, though. But I'm not sure. Do I want to punch in an order now? Or do you put the buy in here? I always think you put the buy in here because I'm positive, not positive, I'm pretty sure we're going to get that usual volatile sweep. Now, where would be my exit? I mean, you just got to see. It's usually a quick wick and then you go in a direction. So I'm hoping quick wick down, direction up, but if we start, I don't know. If we start ripping down, I guess our end all be all is if we break through like 25,000, we'll take it off. I don't want to put the stop in early though for that same reason. I made that mistake just one time when I played news. Is it rip down and then rip back up? So basically it did this. It ripped down, got this, hit the stop, completely got me out of it. So I lost money on the down and then rocket shipped in the direction I wanted it to go. And I'm like, without me, come on. So not today. Not today, Nasdaq. All right, microphone's working correct. Camera's working correct. We have 3 minutes now, forming a really nice bull flag here. I still don't want to jump it early. Well, we'll see. We might have to, I might punch one just in the off chance that it does just rip. And then target wise, I mean, we have all of these shelves basically. So you'd imagine like 278 would be the pretty easy one. Or if we're getting really insane, we want to rip 500, 400 points, maybe 490, right? But let's see. Oh, let's switch this to the 1 minute. Got 2 minutes left. I might punch one actually right here. We're right at basically the top of, you know, kind of this consolidation zone here. But I mean, there's always a reaction down. Yeah, whatever. Let's just do it. We're going to punch one here. Boom. We're in on one.
Order filled.
I guess we'll put our sell out at 343 with the hope that it snags that other one, and then with the second one we'll try to target the 450s instead. 1 minute. Ooh, who's nervous, guys? Let's get into it. Hello, I don't speak English. Ooh, hello, sir. It's all right, man. You're good. You're here. We're gonna do it together. Up is the way. Is what we're hoping. We'll see. We got 40 seconds. 40 seconds left. Gonna have this kind of zoomed out right now too, just to give us room to be able to see everything. All right, 20 seconds. Hey, Hydro, what's up, big dog? How we doing, man? So we're just doing micros, you know, entertainment purposes. Who the hell knows? But punching one in long right now. I have a second buy in case we wick down quick. I'm hoping to snag one right at the bottom. Oh, there we go. Shoot, we went up first, which is strange because sometimes first move is wrong. We're going to put a stop right there. Yep. Stop got snagged already. Boom, though. 142 bucks right away. Not bad. Now let's see if we get a reaction down. Now, again, usually the first move is wrong. I was expecting us to dip down and then rocket ship up. The fact that we rocket shipped up, are we going to be going down instead? This might be a sell-off instead. What's up, Hydro? What's up, buddy? I mean, look at that. I mean, 70-point ripper. 70-point ripper to start the day. Let me clear out the... I had a buy down here. Yeah. It's 70. Man, that did not work, huh? So now let's just see if our next candle, if we get any type of continuation. We went up to 197. So again, hold on one sec. That was a weird place to go to, 197. Again, I would have expected at least 348. So let's be a little bit patient, but who knows? Maybe we're going down. I mean, last report, it was just candles stacking, right? It was green, 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 green. It was like 3 or 4 or 5 minutes of ripping up. thinking it retraces 50%, bounces off, or retraces completely. Yeah, so I mean, here's our EMA, right? Is it 146? So that would basically be your 50%, which it's thinking about doing right now. So yeah, let's watch this thing, man. Let's see it. If it do we get any type of bounce, or is it gonna just start ripping? If it breaks this, if it breaks a new morning session high, we might jump into a long again. What's up, boobs?
Nothing.
Nothing. Are you feeling better today?
Yeah.
Good. Do you want to say hi to the people?
Hi, everybody.
Made 140 bucks so far.
Why don't you try to make 3 grand?
Huh?
Why don't you make 3 grand?
Yeah, 3 grand would be a lot better. So it didn't come all the way down to this EMA, just kind of dancing. It's thinking about pushing it. Our volume is starting to fall off though, so that's not really a good sign, I don't believe. I don't believe that's a good sign for our longs. Jenny. Well, this is usually his spot. This is where he hangs out. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, leave him alone. Hey, driving obsession. What's up, big dog? What's up, buddy?
Where's Brian?
Dude, the you know, the news, the CPI news. We just played the news. So we just got a little 70-point ripper on 1 micro. So hey guys, stop. What? Juddy. That 7-year-old and dog are fighting behind me. Dude, and man, driving obsession, how insane is that? That I was getting so frustrated. We were in just consolidated chop for literally like 45 minutes an hour, right? And then I leave. And 4 minutes after I leave, the market sells off 200 points. And I was away from my computer too. I was literally away. I was away for like, I don't know, maybe a half an hour. I came back because I wanted to edit the video that I just did, right? So I came back to just seeing that dumper happen, and I was like, come on. PW just passed 20 Apex accounts on a long. Man, to have money like that, right? To have friggin' money like that. Oh, that's amazing, man. Amazing. I mean, think about that. You just bought... Wyatt. You just bought 20 Apex accounts. They only cost you 20 bucks each, right? So that's only 400 bucks. So somebody like that, 400 bucks, drop in the bucket, you know, and then just punch them all along. Put, you know, I mean, again, if you did, what would you have to do then? So I did 1 micro. So you would have had to do basically 2 minis. If you did 2 minis per account, you would have just passed all those accounts essentially. You'd be at like 2,800, so be dang close. Wow. Oh yeah, because you got stopped on that trade. Yeah, man. I know it. I know. I thought about you. The second I saw it, I was like, oh man, come on. I mean, for both of us, because same thing. That would have been just such a good trade. And we were ready for it, right? We were talking about it. Still. Yesterday was a good day, though. Walked away at a good day. Huh. So it looks like it wants to break EMAs now. You know, again, our 50% would have been that 144. It's just hard to imagine. It's December, Santa Claus rally, all that silliness. We sold off so much yesterday. It's really hard to imagine that we would continue selling off, if I'm being honest. Nice, man. Blue guy. I'm on the 1 minute here. We're forming a little bit of a bull flag, but again, just very strange. Going to stream New York session as well. For a little bit, but not really. We have a Santa Claus Day. You know, we're going to Bass Pro Shop actually. We have an appointment with you know, an appointment at Bass Pro Shop at 10:45 today for Santa Claus and photos and all that kind of fun stuff. So I might go till like 10. Maybe I'll do right now. I'll do 8:30 till 10. Maybe the next hour and a half. Then we'll try a little pre-market trading here. PW just made 70 grand. Yeah, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, of course it'd be evals. You wouldn't I guess you wouldn't risk fund it on news because it truly is a gamble, right? It's a entertainment purposes gamble. Slowly have our, oh, hold on, let's move this, move this, move this, move this, move this, move this. Slowly starting to push. We basically hit 200s, we stalled out. SPX is still pushing now. Nope, still not. Look at that. To the tick. There we go. There it is. Alright, so we hit 200. I just want to see what kind of response we get off of this now, but we might be punching in longs again because 200 didn't make sense to stop there. You'd think we'd at least go to 285, which would be the bottom of that previous consolidation range. We're still pushing right now too. How many seconds left of this candle? 10 seconds. Let's give it 10 more seconds. Hopefully the next candle has some type of a retracement, and then we might be able to punch it in long. I'm going to start a little bit light too, because again, pre-market trading I don't do. There's a couple times I've done it and it hasn't worked out for me. So I'm waiting either for a little retest 183, or again, if it pushes this candle, which is doing right now. Nope. If it breaks this candle, we'll punch in long. If it comes down here, we'll continue to decide. But that's weird. Look at that. We kind of got all this pent up energy pushed. Oh, there we go. All right.
Order filled.
We'll give her a try. So again, I think I would target our, you know, there. I even still have my box. Consolidation box was 276. So we'll try to unload those guys at 276. Stop wise, I mean, this is a 40-point stop. That's probably appropriate. We're starting to curl away from the EMAs. There you go. We're up over 10 points on it. Actually, let's change this to 1 and 1. There we go. Good reaction up. Gonna start trailing them. Trailed one out. We'll try to leave this one right below break even. Just a couple points below break even. And then we'll just keep moving up, maybe candle by candle. As long as it doesn't break the previous candle's low. Each minute. Boom, 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 boom.
Broccoli.
Yeah, how do you like him? Broccoli! Still not bad for a, you know, pre-market session so far. We're up 212 bucks. And we're being relatively safe about it too, if I'm being honest. If we were a little bit more aggressive, you know. Alright, let's see. We got 15 seconds left of this candle. It basically only came down to the halfway point. Hopefully the continuation continues. 5 seconds. Ooh. Starting to look a little weak. I'm going to bring it to the bottom of this one, but we're probably going to get stopped out right here is my presumption. Which isn't terrible. If we do get stopped, maybe it'll come down to our EMA first, 211, before continuing back up. 10-point stop, 9-point stop technically. Forming a little tiny little bull flag though. It'd be nice if we could just pop right now without it getting wicked, but there it is.
Stop filled.
Still, not too bad. Not a bad morning so far. Oh, good. And we have some good volume coming in too. Look, volume started to come in right there. So again, I don't know. I guess I probably shouldn't have gotten stopped out yet, because it seems like it does want to keep pushing. Oops. So again, just trying to target what makes sense. We just finally are at the bottom of that wick there, 246. My target originally was up here, like the, I don't know, bottom of this consolidation, 282, top of consolidations, 350. The only thing I don't want is a reaction down, which eventually has got to happen, right? Because we're just going pop. We're going up and up and up and up and up. We need something to happen to scare people. We need a big old fat red candle to scare, you know, the bulls a little bit. And then that'll give us a little bit more rocket fuel, I'd imagine. Or maybe we just go up. See, so same thing. 1 hour just came to the bottom of that previous wick and then stalled out. We're kind of breaking it now. So I still think, I mean, even 330s is a pretty appropriate eventual target here. So it's basically, how patient do you want to be today? Still pushing now. Still pushing. 365. I mean, I guess that's the only little thing of caution I would see right here is 365, the top of this candle. That was our like breakaway candle where we sledged off the cliff, right? So I don't know, we're 15 points away from it. You got to imagine we're going to retest it. So enter now for a guaranteed 15, maybe? Or do you wait until we break that, because that's the resistance point, and then you target 344. Yeah. Probably just got to keep buying. Volume is starting to decrease just a little bit, so mindful of that. And then again, our EMA is down here at 228. How's you guys' morning been so far? Did you guys trade the news? What do you guys trade? My God, I cannot talk these days half the time. I think I'm dehydrated right now. Blah, 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 blah. Bumblebee tuna, right? Bumblebee tuna. What the fuck? The one poor guy says he doesn't speak English too well, and here I am saying bumblebee tuna. He's like, the fuck is that? Okay, come on. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? We have 25 seconds left. Good news! What's up, big dog? What's up, buddy? How we doing, man? Waiting for usual session for driving obsession. Good news. Did you take any of these plays? Did you trade the news at all today? We're up a little bit on it. We're up 187. We took 2 trades. First trade was a great trade.
Dad?
That was 70 points.
Dad, why not Showing his cookies.
His
with me.
cookie? Why is he having cookies? He shouldn't be having cookies right now, anyways. It's breakfast time, not cookie time.
We already eat breakfast.
You already ate breakfast? You know what I can share with you? I can share with you a piece of my donut. Still pushing.
Order filled.
Alright, we're... Wyatt, hey, leave him alone. You're gonna get in a lot of trouble today if you keep acting the way you were acting yesterday. Man, sorry, this is a really ugly view at the moment, but I'm just trying to target these consolidation zones. So 283, I guess, would be our easy one. 342 is a little bit farther away. What I might try to do... Shoot. If we start getting close to this thing, I might cancel this and try to run a stop instead. Try to trail a stop. Because I still gotta imagine it's gonna go probably all the way. Stop wise, I guess. We're losing a little bit of our speed, you know. Consolidated popped up. This might be another consolidation before a pop up. So we got to be a little careful here. Man, how crazy is that, though? That's what I mean, I got excited, you know, and I just rushed into it. But I literally was talking about 264. And that's what we hit. We hit 264 on the nose, which would have been our breakaway point. No, I'm sorry. It's 260. Yeah, 264.
Why is not sharing?
Where's Mama? What's Mama doing?
I don't know what she's doing, but
Why does he? I don't understand these cookies. Why does he have cookies?
he made them, but
Oh, Wyatt, you're not eating any of those cookies right now. He can't eat any of those cookies. He's gonna get a lot of trouble.
Bubba, can I eat one?
No, it's morning time. It's 8:50. Unless Mama says you guys are allowed to have cookies, you guys can't have any cookies. It's too early. I mean, cookies isn't that much different than a donut, I guess, if I'm being honest. But I might break through here. We might get wicked. We're finally changing directions a little bit, or no?
Dad, look at broccoli.
Which this one, the 229 is the saver. Stop messing with your brother.
Those are mine. I made them.
I don't care. You're not eating cookies right now, so stop messing with him. It's 8:50. You're not eating cookies, so you
Dad,
don't
look
have
at
to pretend to your
broccoli.
brother that you're going to. Wow, look at that. Forming another bull flag, though, as long as we don't sink too far. I guess I'll bring this down.
Broccoli.
The off chance. Broccoli. What's up, broccoli?
I forgot who gave that to you.
Andrea.
Oh. Broccoli.
Come on, bull flag. Come on, bull flag. Get some veracity. Babe, can you throw out Wyatt's cookies? He's teasing his brother with them. Stinking kids. Ah, shoot. I don't know. It's looking real weak now. Yeah, it might be a little curl down period. A little cooling off period before it goes back up. Let's see. Unless that was the little liquidity fake out, but I really needed to break this candle now, or this wick now. If it breaks that wick, I'll feel a lot better about it. Come on. Push that wick. Push that wick. Still got 40 seconds left of this candle, unfortunately. Come on, you can do it.
Garbage and recycling should start going out Wednesday night.
Yeah, I
Because
agree.
they already picked up the whole across the street of garbage.
Oh, wow.
It didn't look like they picked up the neighbors yet.
Hopefully. I know, I thought about that. It was literally, so it was 4 o'clock in the morning. I wake up to go to the bathroom, and I thought that. I was like, oh no, garbage. And then I almost considered jumping on the mini bike and bringing it down right then, but it was like dark as shit, cold as shit.
Your bike has a light.
Mom, what's making
Oh,
noise
come
in the
on.
house?
Where's 1 second? Don't wake us. Pop back up. Break this candle. Looking real weak though, guys. Looking real weak.
I left the door open for the ducks.
Okay.
So we'll hop on the camera and check and see what they're doing because they are very active, like lots of energy. The females are actually nipping at each other because they want space in the pool.
Oh,
So I
wow.
think they need more room to
Yeah, mess around and stuff.
hang out today.
Well, this has not been working. Come on. And look at this. I hate these wicks now. These wicks look terrible. This definitely looks like it wants to push down. We'll see, though. Hopefully it's a big old fake out for everybody, including myself. But I'm not feeling great about it. Yeah, and it just broke that, too. Shoot. Come on, new candle to save us or kill us. New candle to save us or kill us.
Come on,
Probably kill us.
Jet. You hungry?
Ugh. So maybe it comes down, hits the yellow 220. Maybe hits 220s and then curls up. Yep, stopped out.
Stop filled.
Let me see Cookie Monster.
Well, there goes half our profit. Man, kind of crazy though. We talked about that 264. I was like, whew, maybe we should wait for 264 to break before entering. It didn't break, and it just popped us down. This is what I was talking about, guys, remember?
No Cookie Monster.
So top of this guy,
Let me see.
follow over here, that was our breakaway candle. So we consolidated all this time, and then right there, breakaway candle down.
Daddy.
So that was an important one for us to break, and we didn't break it.
Oh yeah, I can get ya.
Also, there's a rat in the barn.
Oh, good.
Little rubber shavings from the door I saw before I even opened it. I was like, nope, there's something in there.
Oh, yeah.
And then I walked in and I heard the scuffle. And then I tried to shoo it out the door and I saw its face. And I tried to get it out and then it went back into the chaos. So we gotta clean that room out
Yeah.
and make sure everything is like, all the food is tight. The rat in the barn.
Or get that barn kitty. Might be time for that barn kitty. Well, all right, gang. Let's see. Came up, came down. Kind of 50% would be like a 183 retest, right? Something like that. Man, wicked me out. Came to the bottom of this candle just to now start pushing. Switch back to the 5 minutes, see how we look really quick. 5 minute looks like kind of an ugly little bull flag still trying to form. I guess that's a nice looking candle. Shoot, we'll see. I mean, this is literally where I got stopped out. Alright, let's exercise a little bit of patience. We either want to now break 245, I guess, right? We want to break 245 to give us confirmation we're going up. Or we want to break 220s, in which case maybe we'd actually try to punch a really quick short to cover at the 200s. So we got two options on the table. Trying to get those monitors. Let's see. Is it going to break? Is it going to break? Is it going to break? I guess I'd want it to break down to like maybe the 17s. It's going to be a quick one. The 1 minute's continually looking weak. Let's see. Uh-oh. That's a 217 break.
Order filled.
Alright, just going to try to get a quick little reversion here. One down to 200. Hopefully it'll bounce off that midpoint. And I'll try to target the other one a little bit lower, though I might take that one early. Another 50-point stop, though. I hate 50-point stops. Come on, let's see. I mean, that just kind of seems silly for it to stop here since it broke this candle. It seems like it would at least go to the midway point, because there's got to be a little bit of an imbalance there. But this is kind of against my market sentiment, since I was kind of thinking like up and up and up and up and up. But we'll see. So 247, 247. Yeah, it makes sense. Though I gotta admit, I was for this play to play out really the way that I want it to play out, I feel like it should have happened quickly. So I don't love the fact that it hasn't happened quickly, but let's see. I mean, on the 1 minute, that could definitely be a bear flag as long as it doesn't break 229. If it breaks 229, then I'm probably wrong. Maybe? Come on. Darn it. This is looking a little bit weaker finally. Nope. For a half a second it was. Shoot, yeah, this is a hard one because look at this. We have a giant bull flag forming, right? Huge friggin' bull flag. So I really wanted this to just be a really quick little pop down to this midway point before it curled up. And it didn't. So the junky thing here is not only, yep, we're done. Oops, we're going to take, oh, I tried to move that stop down. We'll see, maybe that was just a wick to confuse people, but it definitely confused me. Let's see. Darn. Yeah, darn it, because it broke this candle. It made sense. It broke this candle. It seemed like it'd come down to the EMA, to the halfway point, get that liquidity, then continue north. Instead, we have this beautiful bull flag playing out right into our face. I'm going to move this stop down a little bit to try to, well, I don't know. We're definitely on the wrong side of this one. Yep.
Stop filled.
All right, we're out of it. And now the exact opposite. Now we're breaking this candle, so bull flag's playing out. What time is it? We still have 2.5 minutes left. Hey, what's up, Giovanni Joe? What's up, buddy? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing, friend? Trying to do a little pre-market trading, little CPI data report trading. Our first two trades were great. First one was 70-pointer. Second trade was pretty decent. Third trade and fourth trade were terrible. They were in the wrong direction. We're hoping a little bit of a reversion play. Now we have our bear flag playing, or bull flag playing out. So now just waiting for the next one. But yeah, it looks like this bull flag wants to play out, so we'll see. So wheat. Babe, when would be a good time for me to pick up the monitors today? They just said they're free anytime.
I go to Santa today.
Okay.
I think it's like less magic, but I know Wyatt really wants to go.
Okay.
I literally just saw him last night, and I got so much shit to do.
Yeah. What's up to you?
So I need you to handle that with him. And say that.
Well, maybe he'll want to go with me on this adventure or something. I don't know.
I mean, anytime, but we have the Christmas party at 4. We gotta be at Sky Zone at 4:45.
So what is that now?
Wyatt's school Christmas party that I've told you about several times at Sky Zone tonight at 4:45.
Ah. At 12:45? 4:45. Okay. All right. All right. I got it. All right. Let's see what this 5-minute candle does. If this 5-minute breaks this previous 5-minute. It is breaking it just barely. Man, just kind of consolidating, right? We're almost stuck in a range.
Order filled.
All right, punch along, punch along, punch along. We really got to break that 264 though. At least we broke kind of our consolidation. We broke this candle, so that's good. We really need to break these guys now though. Right at volume profile peak. Yeah, I know it. Not the greatest trade. I was just thinking because we broke. Well, I don't know. I guess we'll take a couple of them off.
Order filled. Order filled.
So at least basically everything's in profit -1. But yeah, again, these have just been,
Stop filled.
there really hasn't been a lot of good continuation at the moment. You're right. We're just ranging. Yeah, pathetic. What is this? This is my 5 minutes still. Not really good continuation. Yeah, I mean it's a good call out. Good call out. Again, I don't trade pre-market too often. So you're right. I shouldn't be expecting, like normal market moves. CPI was a catalyst. But boom, boom, and now this has been just consolidated shop really ever since this candle, right? So 840, it's been like a half an hour of rangy. So I guess we want to really break that 264. But nice looking bull flag. I just hate that reversion play didn't work. Of course. There we go. Finally starting to get that push. Right to the upper band here, 270. We got out at 256. Shoot, yeah, we had two of them right here at 263. I should have held it for a little longer, but what you're saying makes a lot of sense. Do you have a preferred time? Sorry, just double checking. Wyatt, come here for a sec. I was gonna go get 3 monitors today. Do you want to come with me to pick them up? And that could kind of be our adventure instead of going to Bass Pro, since we already saw a really good experience yesterday. And then you have Sky Zone at 4 o'clock.
I still kind of want to go to Bass Pro.
For what reason though? Because it's like a 35-minute drive to get down there.
How far away is the monitors?
The monitors are the same thing, about a 30-minute drive, about a 35-minute drive, and it's in a different direction.
Which one's closer to Sky Zone?
Neither.
They're both the same distance.
But in opposite directions. Because Mama says she's got a lot of stuff to do for the farm stand and everything else. So we just gotta we have a lot going on today.
I think Mama's already booked us.
Since
Daddy, we could be the big hippo. Like, what if we don't show up and like she already booked it?
I can cancel right now. We saw Sam until last night. We don't need to see him again.
Oh.
Let other kids who didn't get to see Santa yet take their appointment.
Man, I wonder what it would be like if we went to Altamont and then...
No, I still want to go. I'm not going.
I think, why don't you go with Daddy? Daddy really needs to go pick those up, and we have the party tonight.
No, Mom, I want to go to Bass Pro.
We'll go to Bass Pro another day, and you can do all the fun things there.
No. No, no.
Already did it.
Yeah, I think it's really for the best, baby.
No.
Dude, we saw Santa with a kangaroo last night.
So, what if Santa has another kangaroo? Or a wallaby?
Okay, come on, let's go do our schoolwork, please. Remember, the elf said get it done quickly if you want to help with cookies and get to eat cookies today. Come on, finish your coloring, and then we can start our math.
Okay. So what the heck are you doing to us, Nasdaq? We made a new session high at 274. Hey, Miguel! There he is. What's up, man? How we doing this morning? Shoot, I should have stuck to my first two trades. My first two trades were great. My second two trades were not. Yes, I believe that can work out. Perfect. Okay. So we are picking up 3 monitors today. Ooh. Got 3 Dell P2425 HEs lined up. So, about to do some upgrades. All right, so where's our 5-minute chart? Trying to again see. Does that make any sense? I mean, yeah, we basically just came to the bottom of our consolidation zone right there. We did, at least we broke our breakaway candle, came to the bottom of our consolidation zone. But then having a little bit of reaction off. But still, you think 345 would make a heck of a lot of sense. So maybe that'll end up being during hours. We got 15 minutes. Perfect. I said I'd meet her at 11. So, woot! Yeah, man, I can't wait to see it either. That's going to be a cool setup. I mean, I have my laptop and 3 external monitors at the moment anyways, but 2 of them are those, travel laptop extender monitors, so they're small. I actually don't know what size they are. They're probably like 12 by 17s or something like that. It's just really weird. It's a really weird rectangle. So woot. All right, let's get back into trading for a sec. Man, should we just go full scale chaos here? Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's see if we can actually get something with momentum for once. Whoops, we did sell. We did buy right there. Let's get sell on the table instead. Took 2 off. Might take another 2 off if it's starting to struggle. Little higher though. Nope. Oh, it didn't break it. Let's see if it can break it. Oh, so again, 345. We got to hit 345. You'd think we'd hit the 300s at least, but again, pre-market. We got 10 minutes before market opens. I should honestly wait for market open at this point. That was probably silly. Yeah, that's true. We got to be patient probably until market opens now. Oh shoot, and I'm not even on the right screen. Sorry, gang. I just did a quick 5 flip. Quick flip. Quick flippity flip. So bought 5 really quick to go long for just a quick little pop-up, and I took 2 of them off basically right away. Got 10 minutes before market opens though. Again, not really familiar with pre-market trading as well, so probably shouldn't be messing around too much here. So 2 things keeping in mind. Yeah, I think I'm going to take these off actually.
Order filled.
Take them
Order
off.
filled.
Take them off. Wait for market open. 2 different theories here. So this was our yesterday 9:30 candle. Boom, huge sell-off. We've came up to 50% of that move essentially now. It's almost forming a cup. I wonder if this could be like a cup and handle thing. Maybe market opens, we come down maybe to the hundreds really fast, and then boom, and then rip up from there. Which is also why I got out of my position there, because it's almost market open. Let's just give her a sec. Jetty, come here. Come here, baby. What are you doing over there? You're supposed to be over here. Come here. Come here. No? You're just going to look at me? All right. And also, gang, just keeping in mind, with that new monitor setup, I'm one step closer now to having anybody co-host a session with me. Which, again, I'm very excited about that idea. I think that would be pretty cool. So I got to set up like a gotta set up an email. I gotta set up a sink or swim work email. And then whoever wants to throw their name into the hat, you know, feel free to send an email. And then heck yeah, like once a week, we'll do like a screen share thing. Or with these new big old monitors, we can whatever, remote link. We'll remote link your screen, your trade evade, anything that you're okay with sharing publicly. We'll screen link that. And then that'll just be while we're kind of rolling through my day. We'll kind of interview, we'll chat, we'll talk trading, talk silliness. But then you can kind of showcase your talents, your trades, everything else live to the world. Yeah, what is going on in there? Good grief. Perfect. Super cool. So we got stopped out with our tiny silly little amount of profit, $8 there. Came back down to the 250s. Now we're just dancing a little bit. 925 is getting exciting, man. I think we're gonna have a retracement at least to the 212s, but we'll see. If we rocket ship up right away, I don't know. Same thing. It's woo. All right, we got to get our mind on straight here. I usually don't trade pre-market. Here I am trading pre-market. And now I'm thinking the second it hits 9:30, I should start trading, and I shouldn't. Then I should wait, obviously, until 9:35, the time I usually trade. But because you're sitting in this for an hour and a half now, it feels like, you know what's going on and stuff. I feel a little bit more tempted to just slang on trades right away. So we'll see. We'll go back to full strength here. Go back to 5 minis, 5 micros. Could you imagine 5 minis?
Wait.
Here. All right, 3.5 minutes left. I'm gonna go heat the tea really quick. See if we can do it in 3 minutes. Okay. Ooh, 286. It did pop up. 286 to the bottom of that consolidation zone. Man, we were talking about that. But it took us literally 45 minutes to get there. I did not have enough patience. Love you. Hey, Miguel. We love you guys. We appreciate the heck out of you. Thank you so much, sir. All right, what do we have here? We have an entire full minute of waiting. Are we ripping up? Are we ripping down? $40 seconds left. Twenty, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Come on. We going through the roof. There it is. Gonna get a sell-off down to the 214s, maybe. Pushing, 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 pushing. Still pushing. 300 push. 345 afterwards. Oh, again, don't do it, Greg. It's 9:30. Come on. Man, that is really hard. It's hard not to trade right now. But again, I gotta remember, this is like, I don't know. Fuck, look at this. Yeah, shoot. Alright, we'll see. See if it's a terrible idea or not. Trading before I usually trade. Come on. So it'd be 345, right? 346. Ah, shit. That's why we don't do stuff we don't normally do. Come on, let's see a push. Let's see the push. Stalling out a little. Five seconds left of this candle. Hopefully the next one gives us a nice another good push. Otherwise we might be screwed. Come on. Go up, not down. Up, not down. So stinking close. Not loving it. Yeah, not loving it. We're probably gonna get stopped out. Stopped out and reset. Stop out and reset. Maybe. We'll see. Well, we have it right at 300. I'll put it right below 300 just in case. Sometimes that's a weird stopping point, but I think we're gonna get wicked out here. Yep.
Stop filled.
Oh, that's why you don't do stuff you don't do. Alright, let's wait. Now we gotta wait till 9:35. Let's be smart. It is forming a bull flag. Alright, what is everything else doing? So IWM gapped up. Shoo, Nvidia gapped up. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Oh, damn it. What just happened? There it is. Oh shoot, we're dropping too. Sorry, my one of my screens got all messed up. There we go. Oh, did I just fucking do it again? That's so dumb. You stupid thing. Sorry, gang. You're just trying to find that gap on NVIDIA. At least this is slowing me down. Okay. Hopefully that's not going to get screwed up again. Try to go slow this time. So yeah, gapped up. My God. Q's gapped up. Huge gap up. $9.35. There's our 5-minute. So we have our 5-minute range now. 5-minute range. You know what? I'm going to put a little box around that guy. All right, so if it breaks this box, we should go down to 213 pretty quickly.
Order filled.
Man, these last 4 trades have made sense, but I'm just getting kind of chopped up a little bit here. Look at this, ugly. Come on. Time to sink. Forming a bear flag. Time to sink. Let's get a real good continuation down, please. Come on. There we go. If we can break that candle, that'll be a better sign. Might try to add into strength. If it breaks these 2 bodies, which is doing right now, we're going to do another add. Come on. Keep sinking. Start bringing some stops into profit. Boom. Hit 2 of them already. Oh, God. I have too much stuff on my screen right now. This is actually very ugly done. Sorry, gang. Really ugly. We still have 2 more stops. Oh, God. Look at this. This looks terrible. Boom. Come on. Hit these targets. Still got 2 left. We're going to bring them down. Bring it down to 200. And trailing. Oh, hold on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at this. Ugh. Terrible job. Terrible job. What the heck was that, guys? And stopped out of the last one. Oh. That's going to be a discombobulated short for later. That was about, we made about 500 bucks on that thing, actually. Ugh. What an ugly, like, boom, fan out of everything, though. Look at this. So what was our best one? 40 points? Not really. That's like 30. Like 35 points was our best one. We had actually a full mini. We had 10 contracts that we were riding there. Not bad. We are now up 240 bucks on the day. Good ad. Good ad into strength. Beautifully done. Look at that. Not to toot my own horn there. But look at that. That was our first entry. Bear flag started playing out the exact way we wanted it to. So boom. Added into strength. I guess I took these a little bit early, but let me see. 233. 226. Never mind, 10 points. I mean, we got 10 points basically on the ad. That's how I'd consider that. Like, I hate that it fanned from this to this, then this to this. It's more like we got 10 points on the ad, and then we got like 40 points on the original. 246 to 195, 50 points, not bad. Okay, so if we break 200s then, you know, little consolidation zone, we should come down, tap 155s pretty quick, and that's what we're doing. We're breaking 180 now, so 155 would be next target. 114 would be target afterwards. I don't know if I really want to chase the move, though. 941. I think we're going to have a little reset. We're up on the day. 240 on the day. It's time to have a little reset. Slow her down. Not make any mistakes. I do want to chase this right now. I want to chase it down to 155, but who's to say it doesn't come back up to 230 first? That would be 40 points against you. To the EMA is what I'm pointing at. Oh, son of a... No. I just did that entire trade on the wrong screen. I didn't even show the trade. No, which means I don't have a recording of the trade. Oh man. That's very disappointing. That's why we need this other monitor. God damn it. So frustrating. My orb screen, you know, that I cycle through everything is off to the side here, kind of mushed, and I just, oh, that really sucks. I just had a monster trade. We just made like 500 bucks on that trade. That sucks. Look at that. We entered here, bull flag or bear flag played out. We entered 5 here. We added another 5 here, so we ran 10 contracts. Shoot. That's quite disappointing. No. That would have been a great video. That sucks. And then the other reason it would have been a great video, and the reason I was like, oh my god, this looks so terrible in Calamity, like I don't want to do it right now, but I had like so many lines. I had like, I don't even know. I had like 2 or 3 or 4 stop lines up here. I had like 8 take profit lines down here. There's a lot of chaos there. That really sucks though. So now we have another bear flag trying to play out. I guess I want to see it break 180s now, which is probably about to do. We might have resistance at 177. Stop wouldn't be terrible because it'd be 212 for a continuation down. It seems pretty probable we're going to have a continuation down. Hey, thanks, baby.
How did you make a trade on the wrong screen?
I know it, man.
Like, how does that even happen?
Well, I was just showcasing the wrong screen. I was showcasing all these screens, which is the most boring screen for me to showcase. So we had a real good response back up to the 9. Huh. I don't know. I was thinking continuation down, but I guess we got to give her a sec. If it wants to hit the, 5, we got to come all the way up to 231. What time is it? 9:46. So we just made our 15-minute or opening range. Ooh, I think we're still sinking. All right, let's try again. I mean, that could be our end-all be-all way the heck down there. Let's go back to the 1 minute just so we can kind of monitor this guy. Shoot, that went against us right away. Son of a bitch. $50 points. 50 points instantly against us. Well, let's ride it for a sec. But might have to get out of this one for a good old loss. Let's see. Is this a fake out or is this going to be a push up? Wow. Crazy reaction though. Look at that. I mean, this is your bear flag giving us basically confirmation because it broke 1, 2, 3 wicks. The second it broke 3 wicks, it rips way the heck back up there. Was that our 5-minute 9? Yeah, it was. That's what we just said. Maybe it comes back up to 230s, and it sure did. Now we got to make sure it doesn't break that, though. If it breaks that, we're screwed. Still got 2 minutes left of this 5-minute candle. Though admittedly, it's kind of looking a little bit better at least. Good God though, what a reaction back up. Man, we've almost survived it. We almost stinking survived it. We were down 500, now we're down 100 on it. Let's see. We were just a tad early. but as long as we can survive it, it'll be all right. So again, targets, I mean, 163 would make a lot of sense. That's the bottom of the previous consolidation zone bodies. Basically right here. Hey, look at that. We're at break even. Oh, come on, keep going down. I just don't want this candle to pop us up. I'm going to bring this stop down just because, again, we were just negative friggin' 500 on it. There we go. Took 2 of them. That's a terrible stop, though. Oh.
Stop filled.
Took out another one. We have our both stops in profit now.
Stop filled.
And we got 1 left, and we're stopped out. Whew! Whew! Who else is sighing a sigh of relief here, guys? We just survived $500 a drawdown. Terrible entry, but really good. What is it? Not confidence. Really good. I can't think of the word right now, so it doesn't matter. Conviction. There it is. Conviction. Really good conviction in the trade. And that's what we're trying to work on. So we're now up $392 on the day, guys. That's a pretty darn good morning. I think we're figuring this thing out. We've been green every single day this week. And we've been green above $200 every single day this week. Come on, chat. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Man, now the only thing that I'm doing that's a little bit silly, and I don't know, I just can't change my mindset, I guess, at the moment, is, so like this account, it's a 50,000 account, so we're up 392 on it. Let's see. So we're up $822 on this account. This one's blown. 392 on this account. This one's blown. That one's brand new. Now hold on. So now it'll get better. 273 on that account. 569 on that account. That one's blown. And then 397 on that account. So I didn't count it there, but like 5 or 6 accounts that were, you know, above $200 on, $300 on. Biggest one is all the way up to $800 on. So I don't know. Is it good to cycle accounts? Probably, because it keeps I feel like your mental game. It helps out your mental game a little bit. But at the same time, had I not cycled out all those accounts or cycled those accounts, one of those, you know, that's enough. That's over $3,000 of profit, right? So we'd be funded on one of these instead of having 6 of them that are getting there. Shoot, now what was the one we were working on today? This guy. So real good out, man. Look at that. We were targeting that consolidation zone at, what was it? It was 162. 162 is what we were targeting. We got some off at 170, 168, 166, 162. And then look at that. Now it's ripping the heck back up. This could still be a fake out too, though. It's got to break 240 now. For us to continue up, it's got to break 240. Man, guys, I'm getting excited. I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting excited. I feel like I'm unlocking this thing. I feel like we're cracking the code a little bit. We know what's going on. We're confident. We got it. So basically, we're just kind of in the mid section now. We did break that point I was talking about. We broke right there. Now we kind of want to come up to like the 267s and kind of test this area, but this is then the halfway point for our 15-minute range. So once we hit here, which it seems like we're going to do, I mean, yeah, we're definitely going to hit it now. But now we got to see, do we stall out or do we continue? Jetty, come here, babies. Come here. You're supposed to be up here, not on the floor. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Little wick rejection there. So yeah, our midpoint is right here, 251. So this is the first day that we've let our, here's our goats right here. This is our first day that we've let our ducks out into the pasture since one of them got eaten. Maybe almost 2 weeks ago now. Which, unfortunately, this thing doesn't really have a great zoom. It gets too pixelated. I'm trying to see if the ducks are out right now. I don't see them out at all. The goats are out.
Sammy doesn't want to go with you.
Oh, well, I mean, I guess that was just kind of a redirect anyways. So rejection from midpoint. What are you doing, nutball? Look at that though, we're right at this volume. We're at our #1 volume shelf right here. Look at this. Big old volume right now. A big old bear. Come here. Come here, Jenny. Come here. Get over here. Listen to me. Come here, baby. Come here. I want to say hi to you. Yeah, come here, big old bear. He doesn't really look like a big old bear anymore, though. Hold on. You're gonna come this way. Oh, there he is. There's a big guy.
Jet. Jet, come on.
What? It's my turn with the jetty.
Jet.
You wanna go play with the kids? You go play with the kids. Yeah, you go, boy. Alright, go on. Right at our midpoint again. Switch back to the 5. This is blue box is our 5-minute opening range, which I've never really paid attention to how much that's in play after the 15-minute is formed. Like I'll play the 5-minute until the 15 is formed. Then usually I play the 15, but I'm curious. I mean, the 5 right now is perfectly at that midpoint. Roars, can you please stop screaming? Let's see, we have 3 minutes. Come on up, babies. That's your spot up here. That's a good boy. You come on up here. Come on up. There he is.
You're the big old bear.
Yep. Again, any streamer that has a gaming chair is silly. You gotta get you an egg chair, because when you have an egg chair, your pup can hang out, which is I mean, admittedly now it kind of seems like we're gonna keep pushing up, doesn't it? Look at this. This would have been kind of our main resistance point. We popped above that. We do have an imbalance right here that we're kissing right now. So that could be a reason for us to fall back down, kiss the imbalance, then fall back down. That gives us our liquidity. But on the reverse of that, it almost seems like, you know, sky's the limit for our W recovery here. And we're just going to rip all the way back up to 328. But let's see. Was that our little liquidity resistance point or not? Because same thing, now we got one right down here as well. So it either takes this out fully and then we drop, or it comes back down, takes this out, and then we go up. Always conflicting stuff, right? For us to go up, we have to go down. Bet we're up 392 on the day. I guess you can go get that new roll of wallpaper today. Man, I'm just cracking myself up over here. Alright, 10 seconds until our new 1 hour candle. So on the, no, not on the, during pre-market, when we were battling CPI and all that other fun stuff, we talked about a theory of maybe having a cup and handle play out. Which right now, I don't know, we're kind of forming a nice little cup here. But for the handle, we'd have to come back down to like our 164s. Right now, notice we don't have any bottom wick. That's a D-money thing. No bottom wick means at some point in the next hour, we're going to come down. Probably at least to like 253. Usually comes down to retest the bodies though. See, this body's matching up with this body. So maybe wick down to 219. Wow. That's kind of cool. What is it? Is it just abstract? You're just doing cool stuff? Let's show it to the class. Look at that. Here's our abstract artwork of the day.
I'll make one every day.
Designed by our 7-year-old. Thanks, baby. Chatty, leave him alone.
Ah, you bit my nuts.
It is on the stream world. Good God.
That's funny.
That's chaos, isn't it?
Yeah, and that's funny.
I know it. I still can't believe I didn't record this. I can't believe I didn't record that trade. What's up, Miguel? Yeah, hey! Wyatt, Miguel said good job. He said good job. He goes, thanks. Man, so, let's see. I don't know. We still don't have a bottom wick on our 1 hour yet. It looks like we want to start forming one. We got two little tweezers up here. Not really big ones, though. We came up, we hit our little liquidity imbalance that was right there. So, still just gotta wait and see. We the biggest and the largest in the 7-year-old art world. What is this, the 5 minute? What are we looking at here? This is the 1 minute.
Can you read on the elephant's head?
Can I read on the read on his head?
Yeah.
What do you mean read on his head?
Do you see this right here? Can you read it?
Oh. Oh, darn it. That's the manufacturer stamp. For CCA and B LLC, made in China. We got a little tiny elf on the shelf. Nice extendo arm. Thanks. Man, I can't believe yesterday. We need your sink or swim gear. I know it, man. I know. I need my sink or swim swag.
Sink or swim swag.
I gotta start working on that. Sooner than later. I gotta work on that this week. That'll be my project this week. I'll research that. Because I agree. That'd be sweet, man. Even if nobody buys it, I definitely need, I need a sink or swim shirt on right now. Yeah. That'd be cool. Maybe a sink or swim coffee mug. Shoot, man, I forgot. What was the saying that I had with I don't even remember who was saying it. Oh, right. No hope and pokes. That'll be one of them. No hope and pokes. I need mine too. Miguel. I love you guys, man. Thoroughly appreciate you. Thoroughly appreciate the support. Alright, so coming back to our kind of volume shelf here. So yeah, yesterday, I can't believe that. I made a couple good trades. And then we stalled out and we consolidated. I don't know if I want my donut.
Why?
Because you eat half of it?
No, I ate a bite.
Oh my god, look at that bite. There's nothing left now. Good grief. Let's see.
That's a very good donut.
I'm Dad.
Here,
Can I try one?
Yes.
Yeah, you can try some too.
Jed, you cannot.
Yeah, Jetty, you don't get none. Sorry, baby.
You would eat the whole thing.
But yeah, we consolidate for 45 minutes yesterday. It was barcoding all the way up until 10:25, 10:30. So I decided to walk away, call it quits. We were up like $500. So we walk away. 3 minutes later, and we were targeting shorts. 3 minutes later, the market sells off 200 points. Son of a beach. And that was it. I was literally gone. I didn't even see it. I came back an hour later and I was like, what happened? Whoops. So here's kind of interesting with our beautiful Lux Algo suite here. I decided it is not worth the money. We canceled it, canceled the subscription, requested the refund, which they're great. Their customer care was super easy. They dialed it in for me. They decided, or they made suggestions. Hey, try this setting, try this setting, try this setting. So this is kind of now the dumbed down version of Lux Algo based on their setting recommendations to me. So tried using it yesterday. I honestly still didn't see value out of it. I paid $215 for it, which was on sale from its original $850 price tag, which is insane. But requested the refund, gave me the refund, and then insanely enough in the message, they're just like, hey, so we sent you the refund, your cancellation is valid, so you get to use this suite for the remainder of the billing cycle, which is a 1-year billing cycle. So apparently we'll have access to this for the next year for free, which insanely and sadly enough, with it being for free, I still don't think I'm going to use it. Because it's just, I don't know, too much kind of noise. I mean, I guess it helps you kind of determine overall direction sometimes with the color codings and stuff like that, but kind of forgot I've been doing this since 8:30. Really 8:20. You know, I'm getting to that point now where my brain is starting to get just a little mushy. And I keep thinking like, maybe it's about time. And then I'm like, wow, it's only 10 o'clock, and that's why. Feels like it should be 11:30 right now. So if we can break the 240s here, we should fall down to 200s again pretty quickly, I would think. Kind of dancing at it right now. And again, we have that imbalance basically right here, which isn't that crazy? That's what we talked about. We just hit that imbalance to come down to hit this imbalance, and then maybe that'll allow us to curl back up, start going up. So I'm tempted to short this, but I guess I'm going to stay away from the shorts for now, just in that off chance. Basically, the target would be like 219. It's only 10 points, you know. You could target 219 with a continuation down to 200. But then I would get a little nervous after that. There's the 219 break. Man, still interesting. Interesting. That's been the cool thing about talking out loud as well with, these lives and everything. Is it's a way to, not to say I'm like unofficially. It's a little bit of a stronger unofficial paper trade, I guess. Because I'm talking this stuff out loud. I didn't take the trade, obviously, but talking through it just helps when I actually do make the trade. But how crazy is that? We had our 219 break, and then like we talked about, we came down and kissed 200. But now that we've taken out that imbalance, now this is what we need to see. Are we going to curl back up? Or is this going to be the start of our sell-off where we break 170 and then keep going to VWAP and then lower? Technically, we still haven't broken the bottom of our 15-minute range, which would be that 170. But admittedly now, it's definitely looking a lot more like it wants to go down there. Still pushing. What is everybody else doing? Qs are curling down. Nvidia's curling down. ES is still curling down. 187, still pushing. Yeah, shoot. Shouldn't have been so... a little too timid on it. Should have jumped on it. That was an easy 40, 50 points right now. Let's see, 10:13. Still a minute 15 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. Let's switch this over to the 5 really quick. But again, look at this chop action or barcode. Not really barcodey action, but crazy waves, huh? Boom, 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 boom. So do we break or do we continue? I mean, if we break, you would think 116s, right? $15-minute range low is 172. So we're so close. $15 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if the next 5-minute pushes this one. If the next 5-minute candle breaks this wick really fast, then that might be our enter into our shorts. Because look at that. That's like a dead pocket right there. Let's see. It's holding up right now. It needs to drop 20 points and break 173. Which it's not doing. Man, now I'm getting gun shy. Ugh. 10:15. Alright. Well, I guess it's a good thing you didn't do it. Nope, nope, nope. Insanely enough, I was almost considering, and I was getting too gun shy on it, doing a quick little reversion play. When it was at the 200s, I was kind of targeting, you know, maybe we'll get a real quick push up to 227. You get 30 points out of that quick pop back up. But I decided not to at the right time. Right at the bottom of this shelf. Just waiting, 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 waiting. Oh, finally got your lolly. Nice, man.
It's like peppermint.
Oh, does it? That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Nice, man. That's a good one. All right, bud. What do you think? Up or down? Up or down? Up or down? Up or down? I'm thinking down at the moment.
Up.
I'm thinking down.
I'm gonna fit out of here.
This is almost a triple bottom on the 1 minute, though. Hey, calm down. Jetty! Hey! Jet, no bite. No bite. Jet! Jesus. He's just chewing on the kid. Stinking dog. All right. A minute and a half of this 5-minute candle that didn't really do too the heck much for us. Didn't break a new low, didn't break a new high. 1 minute left. Now this is starting to look a little bit more bearish, I would say. Looking heavy, looking real heavy.
Are you being naughty?
No, he's not being naughty.
You're gonna rip my hair off.
Well, he did try to do that. 40 seconds left, but this is kind of a doji now, huh? 30 seconds.
Jet!
So I was just trying to play.
I know, the kids don't want you chewing on them.
You didn't take me to do the goats this morning.
That's what I did it right after. It's gotta go into a bowl wide. It's all broken.
15 seconds.
I was doing the garbage too. I had a hand.
Well, I guess my concept should be invalidated here. Yeah. Now this is a doji. I mean, really, you want this to be a kind of a fatter red body, and then the next candle to break it quick. Now it's starting to form just again a slow bear flag, but that's such a doji candle right there. On the 1 minute, this is what I was saying. It's almost a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3, right? So we just got to see if we can finally break through it. That'd be a good sign. Still waiting. Man. Ugh. So stinking close. But look at this, just good wicks once we get down here. So there's definitely buying pressure. And you can just see the volume shelf. Look at this. Huge. It's our biggest volume. Biggest volume now of the session is right here. So again, if it breaks 161, this is just a complete empty pocket. We should fall down to 200 or to 100 really, really fast. But at the same time, look at all this volume. Look at all this strength that we're starting to build and form. So we might base it. It could base right here. Now here's a really weird thing for me as well. And again, I think it's just because I started at 8:30, so I'm getting a little bit tired and everything too. But I'm kind of on a conflicting... Oh, you know what? Shit, I gotta get going. Where's my phone? Oh no, did this kid steal my phone? Hey Wyatt, do you have my phone?
What?
Do you have my phone? What the heck is it? Oh, it's on the floor. It fell. Oh, I think I told that lady I was going to meet her up at 11. I got to get going. Are you getting the adapter as well? Can you please send a photo of it? If I need it. I think everything can plug directly in. Hold on. I'll need to leave in the next. I don't know why I'm dictating this to you guys. Because you guys are here along for the ride. So I'm like, hey, there you go. You get to see what I'm doing. I'll need to leave in the next 10 minutes to 11-ish. What's that current address? Thanks. Okay, so sorry. What I was trying to say is, you know, we're up $400 today. That makes me happy enough. The account, you know, this is a brand new account. We just opened it today. We're up 400 on it. So the whole point of trading is when you hit the number that you want to hit, you're supposed to walk away, right? And really, I try to target 500 right now, so I'm a little bit low on that. But then there's the, you know, the streaming part of it as well. You know, I'm trying to stream from 9:30 to like 11:30 every single day. Yesterday I hopped off at 10:30 because same thing. I made like $550 yesterday. So I was like, you know what, we made it. Let's cut it off. So what do we do? If we don't want to trade anymore, do we keep the stream going for an hour just to keep the stream going? Or do we shut it down because that's the smart way to trade? In this instance, I do got to get going though because... what is this? WD19S. It's worth over 300. No, it's not. It's a 19S. So anyway, gang, sorry, I just keep sticking you in this hole. Man, what a friggin' ripper. So, smart us, hold on. Again, let's talk about this really fast. We did the right thing. We saw the volume right here. We saw the triple bottom on the 1 minute. We saw all of these wicks and buying pressure. So even though we see all this weakness, we didn't jump in the short. We waited for confirmation for this exact reason. That would have ripped our faces off. 180 now to 312. The only thing that stinks is we should have been a part of it. But how the heck would you have known? When it broke this one, maybe it breaks this one, then you're just targeting kind of the top of this. So no, that's a hard one to jump on. It just kind of came. All right, gang, I'm signing off anyways, though, because I'm going to go pick up my new monitors. Yay! We're getting a triple monitor, brand new triple monitor system situation in here. The whole point of this, again, just to explain it very quickly to you guys, is that I want you guys to start co-hosting these streams with me once in a while. So like once a week, I'll choose one of my subscribers as long as you guys want to. And you'll co-host with me that morning from 9:30 to 11:30. So I'll send you a screen sharing, link, and then you'll just share with me whatever you're comfortable sharing. So presumably and hopefully it'd be your Trade-Avate screen or whatever you use to trade. If you want to show me your charts and stuff and show the chat your charts, you can do that as well. But I'll be able to control, from my side, flipping through all the different screens and stuff, and we can just have a good day of, chatting, trading, hopefully making money. And it gives you guys an opportunity to show what you guys do live, in case you don't want to start your own YouTube channel and all that. This gives you the option to hop on mine, essentially, and, yeah, do a little co-host. But appreciate the heck out of you guys. 10:30, I got to sign off to get these monitors. We'll see you again bright and early, 9:25, and we'll keep rock and rolling. Let's look at this really just fast on our way out. We're definitely not at 100% today because of CPI. Oh, it's not going to show us fast enough. You stinker. I had a good trade with CPI, and then I had 2 good trades and then 2 bobbles in pre-market. But then everything else in market was all good trades. Stupid thing. Sorry, gang. Can't see it today. I gotta imagine probably in the 70 or 80% though for it. So not good, or not bad. We're doing better. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. You.